Good morning, children. Let us start today's session with a beautiful thought. Don't give up, children, because of one bad chapter in your life. Keep going. Your story doesn't end here. So you have to be challenging and keep going. Never you stop in your life,
Good morning, children. Let us start today's session with a new concept. Here you can see there are 2 pens in each group. 2 pens in each group. So here we have 2 pens, 2 pens, 2 pens. Then how many groups are made? 3 groups. So 2 3s are 6. So you can add it also. 2 times 3 is 6. That is 2, 2, 2. 2 times 3 groups is 6. Again, that is called multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. And multiplication is also known as repeated addition. Repeated addition, that is 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So here you get 6 pens while adding. And 2 times 3 is also a 6. Multiplication. So here today we are going to learn about multiplication. That is, multiplication is a repeated addition. Repetition means once again repeating. 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 times 3 is 6 again. 2 3s are 6. Here you can see some more multiplication example. That is, there are 4 cars. How many cars are there? 4 cars. In each car, 2 men are sitting. In each car, 2 men are sitting. How many of them are there in all? That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. That is 2 times 4 is also 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also 8. That is, we call it as 4 into 2. 4 into 2 means 4 times 2 is 8. This is the multiplication question. That is, this into is called the multiplication sign. In addition we use plus. In subtraction we use minus. In multiplication we use into. Cross. So here are 3 children. Here are how many children are there? 3. Each child is holding how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each child is holding 5 balloons. How many balloons are there in all? In all. I told you that all is a keyword of addition. But here also it is also for multiplication. How to identify means, they will give one quantity. Each means one child is holding 5 balloons. Then what is the total balloons given? So you can write 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 5 3 times. That is 3 5 times is again 3 5s are 15. You all know multiplication tables, isn't it? That means 3 times 5 is again 15. See, first step by adding, multiplying, and 3 times 5 is also 15. Next, let us take some more example. Here are 2 mice. Each mouse has 6 whiskers. 6 whiskers. How many whiskers are there in all? 6 whiskers means this one, children. Here 3, here 3, here 3, here 3. So here we have 2 mice. Each mouse has 6 whiskers. So 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 becomes 12. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next, 2 6s are, children. Multiplication tables are very much important. 2 6s are 12 again. That means 2 into 6 means 2 times 6. You are multiplying 6 2 times. That is 2 6s are again 12. Here also some more example. Here are 4 elephants. Each elephant has 4 legs. How many legs are there in all? So here they are given each. Each they have given. So each they have given means they are asking for more. That is all. That means multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. By adding you can get the repeated addition. You can get 16. That is 4 4s are again 16. 4 times 4 is also 16. So here you can see some more example on this. Write the repeated addition in the form of multiplication question. That is, there are chakras. 2 plus 2 plus 2. In one group there are 2 chakras. So how many groups are there? 3 groups. So 2 3s are 6 or 3 2s are 6. So here they have given multiplication. So 3 2s are is 6. Now see children, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there. Write first 4 group. Next, in each group, how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. So 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are children 16. Next children, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups. In each group, how many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in each group we have 3 fishes. So 3 3s are 9. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 columns. In each column, how many cats are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 5s are 25. Next, how many columns are there? How many groups are there? 2. How many apples are there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 6 are 12. Next, how many columns are there? How many groups are there? 2 again. How many books are there in each group? 1, 2, 3. So 2 3s are 6. Now here it is an interesting thing. Making the rabbit to jump on the number line. How to jump on the number line? By learning multiplication. See children, rabbit has to jump 3 times 5. How many times it has to jump? 3 times. How many steps it has to jump? 5 steps. So first jump it will jump up to 5. In second jump it will jump 10. In third step it will jump 15. So 3 5s are 15. Next one you can see, make rabbit jump 2 times 6. You have to make it 2 times jump. You have to jump 2 times. For how many steps? For 6 steps. So first time it start jumping. So it will reach by 6. Isn't it? It will reach by 6. For next jump, 6 plus 6, 12. 6 2s are 12. 2 6 are 12. So again it will jump to 12. So it will reach at 12 children. So here it has jumped 2 times. So here you can write 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is again 12. Now make this you can take it as assignment and try to solve by your own so that you learn the concept very perfectly. Okay children, try this. You have to jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 3 steps. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay children, I think you all will try this. Very interesting this number line. Now multiplication of 2's. As you know, you can count, encircle the numbers by counting in 2's. You can add and write or you can take the multiplication tables. 2. You have to multiply by 2 children. That is 2 after 3, 4. Next 4 after 5, 6. You have to round off 6. Next 6 after 7, 8. 8 after 9, 10. So you can do by multiplication also. How? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. You all know up to 20. So you can add now. 20 after 21, 22. 22 after 23, 24. Because we are adding by 2's. 24 after 25, 26. 26 after 27, 28. 28 after 29, 30. 30 after 31, 32. 32 after 33, 34. 34 after 35, 36. 36 after 37, 38. 38 after 39, 40. 40 after 41, 42. 42 after 43, 44. 44 after 45, 46. 46 after 47, 48. 48 after 40. We learnt about complete the pattern by and make your dash times 2 table. We all know the 2 table, children. Here there is only 1 2. That is 1 time 2. 1 time 2 is again 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 2s are 20. So this is 2 table that you have to remember forever, children. Next, the easiest one, complete the hopping in 2s. So we all know 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. 1 2s are 2. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 9 2s are 18. 8 2s are 16. 10 2s are 20. Solve the following problems. 4 boys have 2 balls each. Each means one boy is having 2 balls. In that, how many balls are there? 4 boys. So if you see each, you have to multiply. Each is a keyword for multiplication. What is the total number? That is 4 boys is having 2 balls each. So 4 2s are 8 balls. Now 3 girls are having 2 books each. How many books? 2 books each. 3 girls. So 3 girls are having 2 books each, children. What is the total number of books? That is 3 2s are 6 books. Very easy, children. Multiplication is very easy when you understand the concept. 9 dogs. How many dogs are there? 9 dogs have 2 bones each. Each is a keyword of multiplication. 9 dogs are having 2 bones each. 2, 2, 2, 2, 9 times. That is 9 times 2. What is the total? 9 2s are 18. 9 times 2 is 18. If you add 2 9 times, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, you will get again 18. 9 2s are 18 bones. How many bones? 18 bones. 6 cats have 2 rats each. Again, each is a keyword of multiplication. 6 cats are having 2 rats each. What is the total number of rats? 6 times 2 is, children, 12. 6 2s are 12. So how many rats are there? 12 rats. I hope all of you enjoyed with our multiplication by hopping the rabbit to the destination, by learning the word problem, and by writing the tables of 2. So children, you have enjoyed a lot. Try to practice. Keep learning. Keep going. Thank you, children.